Listen and practice.
Hello, my name is Hannah. I am from Sydney, Australia, but now I live in Toronto, Canada. I live in a small apartment near the city center. I share the apartment with one friend. I am a receptionist at a hotel, and I also study business in the evening. I work part-time during the week. I enjoy meeting new people every day. I like eating Chinese and Canadian food. I drink coffee every morning, but I do not drink soft drinks very often. I speak English and a little French. I am learning more French because I want to use it at work. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. I do not play many sports, but I like walking in the park. In the future, I want to become a business manager. I work hard and study every day to reach my goal.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
We are from Galway, Ireland. My name is Michael, and I own a small cafe in our town. My wife's name is Emma, and she works as a teacher at a local high school. We have 3 children, Daniel, Ryan, and Sophie. We live in a comfortable house near the sea. Daniel and Ryan have a small fishing business. They catch fresh fish and sell it to local restaurants, including my cafe. Our youngest child, Sophie, is still a student. She enjoys reading and studying science at school. My brother James and his wife Olivia live in Melbourne, Australia. They have 2 children, a son and a daughter. James works for a technology company, and Olivia is a doctor. They both have successful careers and enjoy living in the city. We are a close family, and we enjoy spending time together whenever we can.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
I live in Lima, Peru. I am an English teacher. I can speak English and German. In the beginning, German was difficult for me, but now I can speak it well. I like living here. On Saturday nights, I go dancing with my friends. I can dance very well. My friends love music. Some of them can play the piano, but I cannot play the piano. I can play the guitar a little. On Sundays, I sometimes ride a horse. I can ride a horse quite well. Sometimes I watch my friends play golf. I can play golf, but I enjoy watching it too. On Sunday, we often have a barbecue. We cook meat and eat together. I cannot cook very well, but I want to learn. Life is good in Lima. The people are friendly, and I am happy here.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
My wife's name is Laura. We live in a pleasant house in Manchester, England. Our home is not very large, but it is comfortable. and perfect for our family. My brother, David, lives on the same street as us. His house is only a few minutes away. This is very convenient because our children attend the same school and enjoy spending time together. David has 2 children, and we also have 2 children. Their names are Ethan and Grace. We also have a friendly dog named Max. The school is close to our house, so the children can get there easily. My wife works at a hospital about 15 miles from our home. She enjoys her job very much. I work in an office in the city center, and the journey to work is not difficult. We work hard and enjoy our careers. We do not have a lot of money, but we have a happy family life. We are grateful for what we have and enjoy living in Manchester.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
My name is Sarah Brown. I live in Brisbane, Australia, with my family. I work as a nurse at a local hospital. My husband Daniel is an engineer. He works for a construction company in the city. We both enjoy our jobs and work hard every day. We have 2 children, Emily and Jack. They are students at a nearby school. Emily loves reading books, and Jack enjoys playing soccer with his friends after school. We live in a comfortable house with a small garden. On weekends, we often spend time together. Sometimes we visit the beach, and sometimes we have a picnic in the park. My parents live in another city, but we visit them several times a year. They enjoy seeing their grandchildren and spending time with the family. Life is busy, but we are happy. We enjoy our home, our work, and the time we spend together as a family.
Now, try to read out loud.